Celebrate Ramazan at FutureFest. Join Pakistan's biggest family shopping expo for the last 10 days of Ramazan, from March 31st till Eid al-Fitr. Iftar and Sehri with 50 plus food options and restaurants. 1,000 plus brands in fashion, lifestyle, beauty, health and fitness, grocery and home applications, and electronics. Enjoy qawwali nights, mehfil-e-naat, Islamic lectures and podcasts, daycare and soft play for little ones, beauty parlors and tailor shops for your Eid essentials. Enjoy the sports arena featuring cricket, badminton, snooker, and more. From your Eid attire to mehndi, FutureFest Shopping has it all for you and your whole family. From March 31st till Eid at Expo Center Lahore. Register now at www.futurefest.pk.